Hi folks, we're going to take a look at page 328, number 2G. They want us to evaluate this logarithmic expression. So here we have a logarithm with base 6 of this number here. So it's not, perhaps isn't immediately obvious what exponent of 6 is going to give you 36 cubed. Okay, so I think if we do a little bit of manipulation, though, we should be able to figure this out. And hopefully you realize that 36 can just be written as 6 squared. Okay, so this can be written as 6 squared all cubed. Okay, and then finally we can write 6 squared to the power 3. Use our third exponent law to write this as 6 to the power of 6. Okay, and at this point here we realize, hey, look, we've got the exponential function 6 to the x, and then we're taking the logarithm base 6 of that output. So these two functions are inverses of each other. So they should just spit out, when I apply them consecutively, the original input, which of course is just 6. Okay. Another way to think about this, is to ask yourself, remember what this whole expression represents. It represents the exponent of 6 that gives me 6 to the 6. Well, there you go. The exponent can be seen right there, just 6. Okay, so just to recap here, one way to evaluate logarithms easily is to try to write the input as a power of the same base as the base of your logarithm, in this case here, base 6. Okay, that's it for this one.